Hey guys, I'm Barry with Xybix Systems, and I want to show you how to load the new Axys system onto a Windows computer. So when you get your new Xybix workstation, there will be an Axys Quick Start Guide. And this kind of just talks about how you connect it and everything, which we're going to go over. And then on the back, it talks about how to use the software and has QR codes to download the software. So we're going to go through that real quick. So Axys with a Windows computer connects through a USB cable. So it does not connect through Bluetooth, only through USB cable with Windows. So the way you get the software is you want to download it so that way you get the latest version. So you go to www.xybix.com/Axys, and then this screen comes up and we can scroll down here and you will see the download Axys software for Windows 10 or 11. So I'll click on that. It downloads it, and then we can go install it. So I'm going to go to the folder this is in. So there it is. So we're going to load the Axys 1.2 and launch when ready, install, here we go. So it installs and then it'll run. Now what's cool about Axys is it will find the connection and then it will go ask the Axys control box what devices are plugged into it. So this screen will populate with only the accessories that have been added to your system. So if you have a task light, this tile will show up. If you have ambient lights, this tile will show up. If you only have one ambient light, only that one will show and the others it'll kind of collapse that tile, so make it smaller. When you connect your desks, it's on here. This is the fan, help and status light, and heating off and on. And this is your calories. We'll talk about that in a minute. So Axys figured out everything that's going on. Now that we're connected, I can adjust the task light just by sliding the dimmer bar left and right, or I can click the task light tile and it will turn the light off. And when click it again, it turns it back on at the same brightness as when it turned off. If I want to adjust my panel system ambient lighting, I can slide the light for the panel system and you can kind of see around the station that's lighting up, dimming. I've got my footwell underneath. I can adjust how bright that is. You can see the lights going up and down underneath. Then we've got our bias lighting, which is underneath the monitor. So first I'm going to adjust the brightness of it so you can see that. And then I'm going to click on this pink dot because right now the light is pink. I'm going to click on the pink dot and that brings up my color selector. So now if I want it to be blue, I can click on blue and it switches automatically. I can choose green, I can choose yellow, I can choose red. So I can pick kind of any color I want that to be. So we'll make it green for now, and then we'll go back to the interface. So now it's going to be green, and now I can dim the green for the bias lighting. So with the desk, I can click and drag these to the height I want, and this is in inches. So I can just click and drag each surface, and they will move and adjust and stop automatically. This helps me adjust the fan speed, so how cool we feel. So I can crank it up. I can adjust it down. I can also click anywhere in this tile to turn it off and then turn it back on at the prior setting. I've got my help and status light where I can turn that off and on. And then I've got my heat where I can turn my heater on or off. Quite simple. Once I'm logged in as a user, we can see our calorie burn from standing. So the more we stand, the more calories we burn, and hopefully we can lose weight over time. Thank you for watching this video about installing Axys on a Windows computer. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're here to help.